Welcome to Vice Solutions' Educational Institute Management System, a fully managed online cloud solution with 18 modules to manage educational institutes, having multiple campuses comprehensively at scale. Today we'll walk through 5 key topics that will transform how you think about your institutional management. First, we'll introduce Viz Solutions, who we are and why you should trust us. Second, we'll identify the key problems you're facing, the operational, financial, and competitive challenges costing you time, money, and market position. Third, we'll show you the complete solution, how Viz addresses each challenge. Fourth, we'll walk through our platform features, the 18 integrated modules that make institutional management seamless. Fifth, we'll cover our delivery timeline and team structure, how we implement and support you. And finally, we'll show you how to book a personalized demo and get started. Let's begin. Viz Solutions brings 20-plus years of enterprise software experience to solve these challenges. We operate globally across the United States of America, the United Arab Emirates, and Pakistan. We've served companies from startups to multi-billion-dollar enterprises, giving us deep expertise in building systems that scale. Our core strengths: ERP systems for complex institutional management, cloud infrastructure for security and accessibility, and expert teams who understand both technology and education. Our founder portfolio, $20+ million in successful ventures, shows we're serious about building solutions that work. We don't just provide software. We bring proven expertise, proven products, and proven implementation experience. Now let me show you how this translates into your solution. Behind Viz Solutions is Kashif Masood, our founder and CEO. Kashif brings 20+ years of leadership experience building high-end enterprise products for some of Europe's largest telecom, e-commerce, entertainment, and logistics companies. He's led strategic development of complex enterprise systems, corporate administration, HR, finance, operational fulfillment, and business intelligence. His work has delivered measurable results, optimizing operating budgets by 40% while transforming IT functions to create greater organizational value. He's successfully managed complex global programs and teams across multiple geographies: Finland, UK, Denmark, Kenya, Hong Kong, China, and Pakistan. This global experience, this track record of building enterprise solutions, and this proven ability to lead teams and deliver results, that's what's behind every decision we make at Viz. Zahid Anwar leads our ERP development as Senior ERP Developer. Zahid brings real-world experience implementing enterprise systems at massive scale. He's worked with Pathfinder Group, 12,000 employees across 75+ cities in Pakistan, including Pakistan's 2 largest private security companies. He's automated complex organizational processes across multiple divisions. He led the Odoo ERP implementation for Utility Stores Corporation, a retail chain operating 4,500 stores nationwide. He designed and customized systems for point-of-sale, inventory, purchasing, sales, accounting, and built custom modules to meet unique business needs. He's also led development and customization of the NUST ERP system, serving over 18,000 active users. His work includes designing tailored modules for specific organizational requirements and integrating complex systems with government and private institutions. That's the expertise behind our platform, not theoretical knowledge, but hands-on experience implementing real systems for real organizations at scale. Let's start with the challenge you see every day in your institution: operational inefficiency from manual systems. First, information is fragmented across different systems. When you need a complete picture of one student, management becomes difficult because there's no single source of truth. Second, your staff is drowning in manual data entry. Hours are lost every week. Everything moves slowly. Outcomes get delayed. Third, all this manual work increases human errors dramatically. Inconsistencies appear. Mistakes go unnoticed. Errors compound over time. Fourth, your top leadership cannot see institutional trends and analytics. You're making strategic decisions based on incomplete, outdated information. Fifth, key information isn't available when you need it. Everything requires preparation work. By the time information is ready, it's already old. Finally, as your institution grows, duplication increases. Disconnectedness increases. Growing institutions face exponential complexity without proper systems. These 6 operational challenges aren't separate, they're connected. Fragmentation leads to manual work. Manual work creates errors. Errors go unnoticed. Leadership operates in blindness, and growth makes it exponentially worse. This is the operational foundation problem. Now let's look at the financial consequences. Now let's talk about the financial consequences of these operational problems. This is where inefficiency becomes expensive. First, your revenue collection process is reactive, not proactive. You wait for the parents to pay. Reminders get forgotten. Some files get missed. By the time anyone notices, days or weeks may have gone by. Money that should have been collected sits uncollected. Second, your finance manager has no real-time financial visibility. They can't answer basic questions. At month end, finance teams are scrambling, pulling numbers from different sources. By the time you have a complete picture, the month is almost over. Management makes budget decisions without current information. Third, compliance records are incomplete and hard to verify. When auditors come, they find gaps. Gaps raise questions. Questions become compliance issues. So we see 3 direct financial consequences: revenue delays, money uncollected, budget opacity, management can't see real-time spending, audit risk, institutional vulnerability. Finally, financial reports and trends are not available when you need them. You want to know, are we profitable? Where can we cut costs? These should be instant. Instead, finance teams spend days building reports. By the time they're ready, they're outdated. Strategic decisions suffer because you don't have timely information. These 5 financial challenges compound. Reactive collection means revenue delays. No visibility means poor decisions. Incomplete compliance means audit risk. Reports not available mean blind decision-making. These aren't just operational inconveniences, they're direct financial losses and institutional risk. Now we get to the most important impact: how these challenges affect the people who make your institution work. First, prospective families experience a slow, disorganized admission process. They don't know where their application is or when they'll hear back. This first impression tells families something is outdated. Competing schools with modern systems are winning these families. Second, the quality of academic guidance suffers. Teachers lack consolidated performance data. They can't see which subjects students struggle in or what interventions might help. Guidance becomes generic instead of personalized. Students suffer. Third, parents are disconnected from their child's progress. They don't have real-time access to grades or attendance. Meanwhile, schools offering digital access win parent trust and loyalty. Parents increasingly expect this transparency. When you can't provide it, you fall behind. Fourth, communication becomes difficult. Attendance and quizzes are tracked on paper. Teachers communicate through scattered emails. Information gets lost. Communication breaks down everywhere. Fifth, if you're planning to grow, this manual system will break down. What works with 500 students becomes impossible with 1,000. What functions with 1 campus becomes chaotic with 3. You'll reach a scaling wall. Finally, all of this adds up to competitive disadvantage. Competitors offering quick admissions, data-driven guidance, parent portals, and easy scaling are winning. Parents and students are choosing them. Quality teachers are choosing them. Your competitive position is weakening. These 6 challenges aren't separate. They're interconnected. They affect every stakeholder, and they all point to one root cause: manual systems that can't scale or adapt to modern expectations. We've now seen 3 layers of challenge: operational chaos, financial consequences, stakeholder dissatisfaction. While you're struggling with manual systems, competitors are moving ahead. This is why an integrated management system isn't a luxury. It's a necessity for institutional health and competitiveness. The solution starts with integration. Instead of fragmented systems, we provide one unified platform, a single source of truth where all student information lives. When a student enrolls, their complete record is created once. Attendance, grades, fees, health information, all connected in one system. When someone needs information, they don't hunt through 5 places. It's all there, instantly accessible. Second, we eliminate manual data entry through automation. Information enters the system once and flows automatically to everywhere it's needed. Teachers record attendance in the classroom. It updates fee collection flags. Finance sees payment automatically. Parents see it in their portal. No re-entering, no manual work. Third, real-time dashboards give leadership instant visibility. The principal can see institution-wide trends, attendance patterns, revenue status, student performance analytics, not after hours of manual compilation, but right now. Strategic decisions are made with current data, not guesses. Fourth, everyone gets role-based access. Teachers see student academic data. Finance sees payment and budget data. Parents see their child's progress. Admin sees operational metrics. Each stakeholder gets what they need instantly, nothing more. Fifth, the system grows with you. Whether you have one campus with 500 students or 5 campuses with 5,000 students, the system scales seamlessly. Adding a new campus doesn't create chaos. It just adds data to the unified system. The result? From hours of manual work, you get instant information. From fragmented data, you get a single source of truth. From leadership blindness, you get instant visibility. The financial solution flips the model from reactive to proactive. First, fee collection becomes automated. The system knows every fee due date. On day 1, automated reminders go to parents. If a payment hasn't arrived by day 3, another reminder. If it's day 7 with no payment, management gets flagged. Default accounts are identified automatically, triggering follow-up. Compare this to manual collection where reminders get forgotten and defaults go unnoticed for days or weeks. The difference in collected revenue is substantial. Second, finance teams get real-time financial dashboards. They want to know, what's our cash position right now? How much have we spent this month? Are we on budget? They click a button and get current answers. No more month-end scrambling. No more pulling data from 10 different places. Third, compliance becomes automatic. Every financial transaction is recorded. Who did it? When? Why? There's a complete audit trail. When auditors come, you're not scrambling to piece together records. The system has everything documented. Fourth, monthly financial reports are generated automatically. You're not paying finance teams to compile reports manually. The system does it. Reports arrive on schedule, updated in real time. Fifth, budget forecasting helps you see patterns and opportunities. The system shows you where money is being spent, where you can optimize, what your cash flow will look like next quarter. Financial decisions become strategic instead of reactive. The result? Revenue delays eliminated. Real-time financial visibility. Compliance guaranteed. Reports automatic. Decisions made with current financial data. The Stakeholder solution transforms your competitive position. First, parents get real-time access through a dedicated portal. They log in and see their child's grades, attendance, assignments, teacher comments whenever they want. No more waiting for report cards or calling the school. This level of transparency builds trust and loyalty. Parents start choosing your school because of this capability. Second, the admission process becomes fast and transparent. When a prospective family applies, they can log in and see exactly where their application is. Under review, shortlisted, scheduled for interview. They get instant updates. No more "I don't know what's happening" experience. This first impression attracts families and shows your institution is modern. Third, teachers get data-driven academic guidance capabilities. They see each student's performance patterns across all subjects, test scores, trends. They can immediately identify which students need help, which are excelling, what interventions to recommend. Guidance becomes personalized and effective instead of generic. Fourth, communication becomes centralized. Teachers, parents, and students communicate through one hub. Messages are organized, trackable, never lost. Communications are consistent and professional. Fifth, multi-campus management gives you unified control. If you have multiple campuses, you see all of them in one view. You can see which campus has highest performance, which needs support, which is most profitable. You can coordinate operations across locations. The result? Parents become advocates. Prospective families choose you. Students get better guidance. Communication improves, and you can grow to multiple campuses without losing control. Here's how Viz solves your 6 biggest challenges. Fragmented information is solved through a unified data hub, giving you information in seconds. Manual work is replaced with automation, saving you hours daily. Hidden errors are eliminated through validation and audit trails, ensuring error-free operations. Leadership blindness is solved with real-time dashboards, enabling strategic decisions. Revenue delays are eliminated through auto fee collection, getting cash on time. Financial invisibility is replaced with real-time dashboards, giving you complete financial control. 6 problems. 6 solutions. 6 concrete advantages for your institution. Continuing with the remaining challenges, compliance gaps are eliminated through an audit trail system, making you audit-ready. Parents disconnected from their child are engaged through a parent portal, building trust and advocacy. Slow admissions are solved through admission tracking, creating a modern first impression. Poor academic guidance is improved through teacher analytics, delivering better outcomes. Scaling that feels impossible is enabled through multi-campus platform, ensuring confident growth. Competitive disadvantage is reversed through our complete modern package, positioning you as market leader. That's the complete solution. 6 more transformations that take you from struggling to thriving, from behind competitors to leading the market. The Viz platform is built around 18 integrated modules, each handling a specific functional area of your institution. When you log in, you see a unified dashboard showing all modules: students, staffing, fee details, exams, parents, everything accessible from one central hub. You don't need to activate all 18 immediately. Use what you need now, add more as you grow. The system is fully customizable to your workflows. Each module has an intuitive interface. You find what you need quickly, no complicated menus. Instead of fighting a rigid system, you get a platform that adapts to your needs and grows with you. The top leadership perspective gives you complete institutional visibility in one place. You get a dashboard with all your key reports, exportable to PDF or Excel. Campus information across all locations. Course and batch oversight. Complete student visibility. Admissions, KPIs, attendance. Examination tracking to monitor academic progress, and faculty performance across quizzes, exams, and assignments. Instead of managing 6 different systems, everything you need to run your institution is here, unified, accessible, ready for strategic decisions. Stop guessing about what's happening in your institution. The dashboard gives you complete transparency into every critical area: student enrollment, financial health, attendance patterns, academic performance, staff productivity. Every metric is live and current. You're not working with yesterday's data. You see institutional reality as it actually is, right now. Charts and graphs tell the story instantly. You see what's working and what needs attention at a glance. You configure it for your priorities. Today you focus on enrollment. Next month you monitor academic outcomes. The dashboard adapts because institutional focus shifts. This is certainty instead of uncertainty, confidence instead of guesses, control instead of reactivity. Managing multiple campuses used to mean multiple separate systems. Viz gives you a unified view where all campus data lives together. See all campuses at once, compare performance, coordinate across your organization. But each campus can also operate independently with different schedules, courses, and fees, all while staying connected to the unified system. For each campus, you manage everything: location, facilities, courses, faculty, students, fees, examinations. Complete control at the campus level. This is growth without chaos. Add a campus and it plugs in instantly. Coordinate operations without losing local flexibility. Every course from information to examinations is managed in one integrated view. All your courses, subjects, and classes are organized clearly. No scattered data across multiple places. For each course, you manage everything: details, subjects, classes, faculty, students, alumni, fees, examinations. When a student asks about course subjects, you have the answer immediately. When finance needs course fees, it's accessible instantly. When you need to see which faculty teaches what, it's organized and ready. No more hunting through documents. It's all centralized, structured, and instantly available. Students are the core of your institution. The Students module gives you a complete, unified view to manage every aspect of their journey. One central place shows all your students, profiles, contact information, everything accessible instantly. For each student you manage admissions and enrollments, batch assignments, classes, attendance, performance KPIs, fees, examinations, and notices. When parents call about attendance, you see it immediately. When teachers need performance data, it's there. When finance tracks unpaid fees, it's flagged. When you need to send notices, all students are organized and ready. No more scattered student files. Every student is managed completely from enrollment through graduation. Your faculty are your greatest asset. Faculty management gives you complete control over HR, appraisals, and accounting. You manage timetables and schedules instantly. Faculty have their own HR portal for self-service. Hiring, firing, and performance appraisals are structured and documented. You track recruitment, evaluations, and records in one place. Attendance is tracked automatically. Salaries and accounting are handled systematically. accurate calculations, tracked deductions, on-time payments. No more manual HR chaos. No more payroll errors. No more scattered files. Complete faculty management from hiring through retirement. The student portal empowers students with self-service access to their complete information. New students apply directly through a URL form or staff enter their data quickly. Existing students log in and see their courses, batches, and class assignments in one view. They access their academia information, admission status, performance KPI, and attendance record. Complete transparency into their progress. They see their examinations, quizzes, exams, and assignments organized clearly. They receive institutional notices and important announcements directly in their portal. Students become engaged participants who track their own progress, know their performance, and stay informed about updates, reducing support burden on your staff. Parents expect transparency into their child's education. The Parents Portal delivers it. Parents see everything: reports, attendance, academic performance, and student KPI. No more wondering how their child is doing. They communicate directly with teachers through a dedicated teacher portal. Concerns are addressed quickly. They stay informed about events, institutional news, and have access to a help desk for questions. This transforms parents from outside observers into engaged partners. They trust your institution because you give them visibility. They become advocates. And you replace email chaos with one organized communication channel. For institutions that need to manage physical assets and supplies, the inventory module gives you complete control. All your inventory, lab equipment, furniture, supplies, materials, lives in one organized place. Nothing scattered, nothing lost. You manage orders and purchasing, track inventory movement as items come in and go out, monitor costs and finances to understand your spending. Document deliverables and receipts for accountability. Track stock levels so you always know what you have. This is especially valuable for institutions with labs, workshops, hostels, or complex facility operations. You know what you have, where it is, what it costs, and when you need to reorder. No more guessing about supplies. No more emergency purchases because you didn't know stock was low. Complete visibility and control over your institutional assets. You are served by an expert Viz team ensuring quality at every step. Implementation takes approximately 1 week from start to go live. Additional updates and refinements can be made within a month if needed. For specific pricing tailored to your institution's needs and requirements, contact our team. We'll work with you to create a package that fits your goals and budget. What you've seen today is powerful, but seeing the Viz platform in action is even more powerful. Contact us today to book your personalized demo. We'll walk through exactly how Viz solves your specific challenges and answers your questions. To help us understand your institution's unique needs and deliver the best solution for you, please fill out the short questionnaire linked in the description. This takes just a few minutes and gives us the information we need to create a customized proposal tailored to your requirements. Let's get started on transforming your institution. Thank you for your time and attention today. We're excited to collaborate with you on this journey. Please reach out with any questions or to schedule your personalized demo. Visit our website or contact Kashif directly. Let's transform your institution together.